Hi everyone, welcome to SI Share classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 2.4 centimeter or diameter 4.8 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here the length 2.4 centimeter. So this is 0, 1, 2 and this is this is 2.1234. We know that radius of a circle is half of diameter. So first drawing here the radius 2.4 centimeter. Now taking here a point here. Now taking the length 2.4 centimeter by using compass by this way and putting the compass on this point and drawing here a arc by this way and which represent a circle with radius 2.4 centimeter. Now joining here, so taking here the center O and here a point, so OA equal to 2.4 centimeter. So therefore radius OA equal to 2.4 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.